Hey there, here's another video on subtracting decimals. So subtracting decimals is actually the most straightforward operation we have with decimals because there really is no difference than if there isn't decimals. Now the only trick here is that the subtraction algorithm is tricky, okay? There's a lot of rules involved and the regrouping can be confusing. Now, I'll tell you this. Use your place value chart. It makes it a lot easier. Okay, so here we go. 20.24 minus 6.59. 20 and 24 hundredths minus 6 and 59 hundredths. Now the first thing you always do is you line these up, right? You put them in the algorithm. 20.24 minus 6.59. And you always put the larger number on top because you're using the smaller number to take away from that. You can't take a bigger number from a smaller number. It just doesn't work in that order. Now, even though I wrote it like this, I am not going to do this on paper. I am going to use my SmartPal because my SmartPal helps me line things up and it helps things make sense. Okay, so if we go here, we're going to write our problem in. 20 and 24 hundredths minus 6 and 59 hundredths. All right. Now I love this. It's all organized. It's all lined up. Now, here. 9. Can I take 9 away from 4? I cannot. The hundredths doesn't have enough to give to me. You know, he wants 9 and he only has 4. So he has to go to his neighbor and get a tenth, right? So his neighbor gives him 1. That leaves his neighbor with only 1. He gives him a tenth. So now that means he has 14 hundredths. Okay? So the downstairs guy comes up again and goes, "Hey man, you got that 9? This time he does. 14 minus 9 equals 5. Okay, now we go over here. This downstairs neighbor comes up and goes, "Hey man, you got 5 for me?" He only has 1/10. Doesn't have enough. So he has to go to his neighbor. But now he goes to his neighbor and look, the 1s doesn't have anything. He's out of luck. So he goes, "All right, you helped me out a couple weeks ago, so I'll go to my neighbor." So he goes to his neighbor. He crosses it off. His neighbor is going to give him 1, and now he has 10. Okay? Now, he has enough to give him. So now he crosses this off. He becomes 9. He becomes 11. Now, does he have 5 to give him? He sure does. 11 minus 5 equals 6. Okay, 9 minus 6 equals 3. Nothing take away 1 is 1. Now, here's the trick. Was this 0? All right, 0 can't give this guy anything. So he has to take from here, and he became 10. But then he can't stay 10 because he has to then give one of them to tenths. That's the trick, and that's where you have to be careful. All right, good luck.